NEOM is happening. Construction update 2023. As of the latest available information, NEOM, the futuristic city being built in Saudi Arabia, is progressing with its construction plans in 2023. NEOM aims to be a hub for innovation, sustainability, and technological advancements. The city's development includes infrastructure, residential areas, entertainment facilities, and transportation networks. NEOM's construction is being carried out in phases with a focus on creating a smart and eco-friendly city. We just launched our newsletter. First 80 people to subscribe get a free surprise. Check the pinned comment.